Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today magde-deliver tayo ng bike. Thank you so much!
Yan tagagawa, te.
Hi guys! Sarap ng gumawa. One, two, three. Feature si Ate sa vlog. Hi vlog! Yung vlog ko hindi ko mali-edit eh. Edit mo na mo rin. Okay. Dala ko mag-marker. Dala ko ba? Wala. Manginam ko dito. Wala. Ito kasi.
Ay, meron.
Ready siya. Dami na to ah.
Tapos kanina.
Complete collection.
So guys, we are successful today. Uy, support na tayo ng UST.
Okay.
Go uste.
Ghost it. Let's go.
Hi, vlog!
Oh my days. Ang tough ng vlog ko kanina. Okay, wait. Mali yung binablog ko. Welcome to the vlog, guys. NU versus UST. This is a very needed match, guys.
Serving for USD is Julia Baligid.
Serving. Go, Juju. Okay, ready?
April Broad serving for Golden Services.
Sakit, pre! Hey, go back to the start.
Outside!
Call out.
Gotta love the UST crowd.
Okay, hi vlog. It's the second set right now. The score is 2-3.
And then we won the first set,
Service.
guys!
Red, Churado. It's an ace. Overtime spike. Oh, nice. Set. Okay, guys.
Baligid.
Right now.
It's a 6, guys. Who will be 6-7?
Serving is NUC captain Taj Alinsul.
Second technical timeout na set number 2. Score update 14 and you 16 USD! Guys, 22-23 na. Second set. Kinakabahan ako. Grabe ka ba ako sa 22-23? It's okay. It's okay. Update 24-23. Second set. Challenge NU. Haha.
Center line call, committed.
Okay, nakastart na ng set. I mean, kami na pa nag-start. But like, the score is
Before
now
we get
4.
back into game, time for a fit and right.
Update, so 12-18. Challenge ng NU floor touch. Guys, this is This is so nakakakaba. Successful challenge ng NU, guys. No floor touch. Thank you, Lord. Go, Cassie.
Service ace from Cassie Carvalho. Of the hand, Sam Cantada.
Set point and you ng third set.
Set is Arlene Cerneche.
Go, Usta! Go, Usta! Outside!
Service out.
USD, let's go, fight! USD, let's go,
Should
fight!
be number 15, Arlene Wahe.
Let's go, fight!
Mark Altean coming in. Serving for the Golden
Go
Tigers
ahead.
is Arlene Wahe.
Go, USD!
Hi guys, the score is currently 11-14. It's the fourth set. Score of UST is 2. While NU has won 1 set. We got blue card.
Ball out.
Sobrang hyper ni Alexis. Hindi ko alam
Point for USD.
bakit sobrang hyper ni Alexis. Hindi ba siya inaantok? Like, parang hindi ko na talaga maintindihan. Serving, Ate Bon. Let's go.
Stop!
Service ace.
Serving Ate Bron again. Let's go, let's go. Let's harbor. Let's harbor this. Let's harbor this.
Go, Brian! Sapa! Sapa!
Para Balikin. Second technical timeout on set
Time out,
4.
guys. Defensa.
guys. Fifth set na. 3 USD for Anyu. Nakabahan na ako. Ah!
Service, Lian
Set
Villar.